Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion's Sankho Kun. We will begin by understanding Notion's core purpose as a flexible digital workspace. It's a single space where you can think, write, and plan, capturing thoughts and managing projects. Sankho Kun specializes in creating powerful templates, like the Life Tracker, designed to help you organize your entire life, from daily habits to ambitious long-term goals. These tools are crafted to boost your personal productivity significantly. Now, let's set up your workspace. First, duplicate a Sankho Kun template, such as the protagonist blueprint, directly into your Notion account. This creates your personalized version. Take a moment to explore the main dashboard. You'll find dedicated areas for daily planning, habit tracking, and goal setting. Pay attention to how linked databases connect information, allowing your data to appear in multiple places without redundant entry, saving you valuable time. Effective tracking is central to this system. Use the daily journal or planner to log your activities, thoughts, and reflections each day. This practice helps you stay mindful and organized. Next, leverage the habit tracking sections to build consistent routines, marking off tasks as you complete them. You can also set and monitor your personal goals, often with visual progress bars, providing a clear overview of your achievements and areas needing more focus. Finally, let's talk about customization and boosting your productivity. Notion's strength lies in its flexibility. Feel free to customize the template's layouts, colors, and icons to truly make it your own. You can also create new pages and databases to expand its functionality, tailoring it precisely to your evolving needs. Consider integrating Notion AI for enhanced writing, quick summaries, and automating routine tasks, saving you many hours each week.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.